What's up, YouTube? It's your mini titan Josh, back with another Web2 versus Web3 video. But for now, we're going to talk about you having a business on the Web2 platform and do you, how to transform or to adapt to the Web3 platform. Let's get into it. So I actually found a website right here. It's zebpay.com, and then they have a guide on how you could transition your business from Web 2 to Web 3. So, first of all, Josh, why does my business need to adapt? First of all, increasing security. Second, enhance transparency. Third, improve data privacy. And fourth, access to new markets. I guess the fourth one is one of the most important things that we want as business owners since we want our business to grow. So, the next things I would be discussing are decentralization, smart contracts, and crypto assets. So, decentralization, one of the benefits of Web3 actually is, being a decentralized platform. Traditional Web2 applications are hosted on centralized servers which are controlled by a single entity. By contrast, Web3 applications are decentralized with no central point of control. This means that there's no single point of failure, making it more resilient to attacks and malfunctions. Because in Web3, it's the users and the community who has control over their own data. So it is not like, having central servers everywhere. It's more like everyone is a server. So that's one of the very good things about Web3. So moving on, smart contracts. These are digital contracts with self-executing sets of codes. So if you're familiar with the cryptocurrency world, smart contracts are on the blockchain, and the blockchain is like a record or a series of transactions, and then doing transactions on using smart contracts saves time, reduces costs, and increases efficiency because it's faster, it's decentralized, and then it has very minimal costs because there's no intermediaries in between. Like the transfer happens from user to user or community to community. Then crypto assets, this is a very self-explanatory part of the process because in Web3 we're going to use cryptocurrency, which is why this crypto asset thing is included right here. So I have a step-by-step guide to moving your organization to Web3. So first is you want to utilize smart contracts to crypto assets. So you want to like you it's not moving from smart contracts to crypto assets, but making them synthesize, like making smart contracts work with crypto assets. That's the first step. And then building a Web3 architecture, how to leverage blockchain for your business. This is the second step. So you want to have your business system utilize the whole blockchain process. Okay. The last thing would be designing a Web3 infrastructure and identifying the right Web3 platforms for your organization. So we all have different businesses, right? Because me, I'm actually a Web3 project owner, Web3 startup owner, or whatever term you want to call it. So if you already have a business on the Web2 platform, like what is existing right now, you wanna um you wanna still find the same exact shape and footprint for you on the Web3 platform so that you would have less hassle, and you won't have you won't spend a lot of time discovering uh what to do about your project. If you shouldn't you I mean, it's fine to not change your market. You just have to upgrade your business. So basically that's how you could transition from Web 2 to Web 3 if you already own a business on the Web 2 platform. So me, I started my Web 3 startup with no coding knowledge, no programming knowledge, and just joining a community and having the right tools to start up a Web3 on the Web3 platform. That really that really has pushed me to where I am right now because I'm currently earning from that Web3 startup that I did. So, what community did I join? So, I actually joined the Token Titans. First, saw them here on Twitter, and as you can see, we have daily boot camps here on Twitter. Boot camps and summits. So, if you see that our Twitter page is like this, what more on our main, like the main community itself? Because our main community is on Discord, and this is our Discord channel. So now it is very important that you know who are the people behind Token Titan. So the people behind Token Titans is Tugan Bara and Nico Polo. Shout out to these guys. They really did not hold back on the knowledge that they have about the Web3 platform, because they really created a community that would be self-nurturing, and a community that really helps one another and no one gets left behind. That's what I love about this community right here. Like, doesn't matter if you're an expert or a rookie, you're you know they got your back. So going back on the Discord server that we have, we are actually a diverse group of people, from Web3 developers, blockchain developers, NFT developers, cybersecurity experts, down to simple people who are just like me, like who just wants to be on the Web3 platform. So this is where I got the knowledge that I needed to be uh to be well equipped to start my own Web3 project. But again, you cannot start a Web3 project if you don't have the tools, right? So I'm gonna go to the tools in a few moments. I'm just gonna introduce you to our bonsai.lol website. This is important because in here you can see how we grow as a community. So this is bonsai.lol/tuganapollo. The first time you reach this website, I really suggest you go to shop first. Don't worry, you're not gonna spend anything. You want to open this one. As you can see, we have something here called GB files. These are recordings from our daily events, daily boot camps, daily activities, summits since day one. So this is how and where you'll see how we grew as a community. So the tool that I have been using to start and power up my Web3 project is none other than Token Titans, the secret playbook for building new Web3 experiences, NFT communities, and DeFi protocols. So why Josh? Why did you use this one and you didn't use anything else? It's because, guys, the easiest way to to tell you about the experience is I found I found a book that has synthesized, unified all the vital information you need to grow a startup project on the Web3 platform and how to earn from it. And with this book and the community, of course, guys, let me tell you, it is the easiest for me that's what happened. It was the easiest this easiest process I've ever been through in my whole life. Like, knowing that I don't have knowledge about Web3, I didn't have enough technical knowledge, but since the community got my back and I also really gave time to read this book right here, I really didn't expect that I would be here sitting around just waiting for my income to be, to be credited to me weekly, sometimes monthly, through my Web3 startup page. Without the community and without this book, I would never ever have started with Web3. So what are you waiting for, guys? I'm offering you an opportunity. Please don't miss it. If you want to grab the opportunity, click the links down below in the description. All of those are these websites right here. So please don't miss a link. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. This is your mini Titan Josh, out.